they are my self-study. I only have 4 for today because one of my self-study is excused. And they are doing their visuals or props for monthly donation. So I have here Windeline, Shinin, Rowena and April Imnida. So that is their work. And there you go. So they are using some of the study room art material, but if they also have their own art material, they also bring it here to complete their work. Are you crying, Ruben? No? Oh, I thought you're crying. How was the end of the school? Excited na mo vacation? Excited na sila mo vacation. Finally, they will not be bombarded or they will not gonna stress out to a lot of projects in school. So they are gonna breathe in already. 감사합니다. Raisa and Althea writing paragraph on the Manila paper. Nagahatag na, who gives your cellphone kani Raisa?
Singhang Yunin.
Singhang Yunim. And how about your Tia?
Junjunin.
Junjunin.